Hi, I'm Wade, and this is Tony from Expium, and welcome to our Expium pairing series. Today we are going to pair Jira workflows with whiskey. So join us as we walk through a brief overview of workflows in Jira with Tony. So Tony, give me a brief overview of workflows.
Workflows are paths that issues follow, from work that needs to be done to completion. Every Jira workflow is comprised of statuses and transitions that issues move through. Statuses and transitions typically depict your business's process so your team can visualize work and accurately reflect on the work being done. A Jira workflow is essentially the life cycle of an issue.
Can anybody create a workflow?
No, only a Jira administrator can create and edit workflows. There are, however, some cases where a project administrator can edit workflows, but only if they have the extended project administration permission. And even then, there are some limitations.
What kind of limitations are we talking about?
Well, for the project administrator to be able to edit a workflow, the workflow can't be shared with any other projects or be a default workflow. This is because a project administrator only has permission to impact their own project. If they make changes to a shared workflow, it would impact a project that they aren't allowed to change. Then, when you need to add a status to the workflow, the status must already exist in Jira. The project admin can't create or edit statuses. That still has to be done by a Jira admin.
So if project admins can't create or edit statuses, can they delete them?
It's a good question. To delete a status, the status must not already be in use by any particular project.
What other features of the workflow can project administrators change?
The project admin can create, update, and delete transitions, but they can't select or update a screen used by the transition. Additionally, they can't edit or view any workflow features such as transition properties, conditions, validators, or post functions.
Okay, I think I understand. So what things should I take into account before changing an active workflow?
When you edit an active workflow, Jira will make a copy of the workflow so that you can modify it and then publish it when you're finished. However, Jira places limitations on the changes you can make due to the negative impact those changes will have on other projects that use the workflow.
What can I not update if my workflow is still active?
When you're editing an active workflow, it's not possible to edit the workflow name, only the description, and workflow statuses can't be deleted. Additionally, you can't add transitions or delete steps to an active workflow.
But what do I do if I absolutely have to make those changes to an active workflow?
Now, to make any of these changes, you first make a copy of the active workflow, and then you make those changes you were talking about. After that, you have to publish the copy of the workflow you made and associate the newly created workflow to your existing workflow scheme. Workflows are an extremely complex part of Jira. For a more comprehensive understanding of workflows, be sure to check out our upcoming Jira Bootcamp class that I'll be teaching. The links to the sign up will be listed in the description. And thanks for watching another Expium pairing series. Cheers.
Cheers.